again welcome to Hack Coding, and let's continue a new concept, and this is also a very important structure. So in this case we are going to learn about switch case. So switch case is so as you can read in a programming language, the switch program is a type of a selection control mechanism. If someone asks what is a switch case, it is a selection control mechanism which is used to allow the value of a variable or a expression to change the flow of program execution via search and map. दिस एंड ऑल इज अ थियरी जो यू कैन राइट इन योर बुक. ओके. क्या स्विच केस है आपको मैं साधारण सी भाषा में मैं आपको हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में समझा दूंगा. ये मन बढ़न कहानियां ये आप लिख सकते हो अपने बुक में whenever is asked in your exam. That is not of my context. My context is to explain you and clear all the concepts. So see, so this is the flow chart. If you see the flow chart, okay, before going to flow chart, let's come to a syntax first and no, okay, let's see flow chart first. Okay. So first is the switch expression. We will write an expression for the switch case. Okay, then we'll come to a case. If it is the case one, if it is a case one, then the statement one will execute. Okay, if it is case two, it is statement two. Okay, if it is case n, it will substitute. It will obtain a substitution. If it is a no, then it will automatically execute a default statement. So in switch case, we have to mandatorily a default statement. Okay, so I'll show you, no need to worry about. I'm just covering that some theoretical part, but as you also know, I show using my program only. So I'll show that also. Okay. So after the default statement executed, it will go to the end switch. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Uh, what had happened? Okay. Uh, okay. So this also we learned. Now this, as you see, this is a flow chart. If it is case one, case two. Okay, now see this is a syntax. Or let's see how to write a switch case. So see switch, then it comes a variable. Variables mean it can be anything. It can be integer or it can be a character. Okay, it can be an integer or it can be a character. Is this clear? So see, if it is a case value one, suppose it is if the user has pressed one, then what sort of statements you want to execute, you can write here. You can write here, okay? So you have to see very clearly switch, after switch, then it comes a variable, then it comes the curly parenthesis, and then inside this we have this many case, and you can write thousands of course case inside this. How many case? You can write n number of case, but remember switch case will always end with a default statement. It will end with a default statement. What is the role of default? Default का रोल ये होगा कि अगर ये तीन केस में से कोई भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रही है, then it will execute the default statement that I am going to show you using a program. Okay, so now see, this is a value one. Suppose if the user has pressed one, then these sorts of code will be executed. If the user has pressed 2, then then these statement will be statement. Suppose now you can see a new word here, a new keyword here, that is a break. So break का रोल क्या होता है? अगर आप break नहीं लिखोगे, if you won't write break, then what will happen? This case will be executed and this case will be executed. Okay, so break statement means कि just break out of the loop. अगर ये स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हो गया, जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ द लूप, देयर इज नो नीड टू एग्जीक्यूट दी स्टेटमेंट. सो अगर आप ब्रेक स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखोगे तो क्या होगा केस में, अभी मैं शो दिखाऊंगा आपको कैसे होता है. केस वन भी हो जाएगा, केस टू भी हो जाएगा, केस थ्री और डिफॉल्ट भी हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आई विल शो यू. ओके, नाउ नाउ द पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर हेयर इज, सपोज इफ द वेरिएबल टाइप इज इंटीजर, अगर टाइप इंटीजर है, देन व्हाट इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस व्हाट विल कम? केस any integer value, right? 23. Okay, and then dot, two dots. Okay, see this two dots, this will be changed to this. If it is an integer, see case 1 and case 2. Okay, but if it is a character, suppose if you are taking a character as a variable, then these characters should be inside a quotes, inside a single quotes. You can see, you can see here. See, see here you have a, see for integer you should not write inside the quotes, but inside this you have to write in a quote. Okay, so let's quickly jump to a program, and we'll see how to write a program using this. Okay, so switch case, we are going to prepare a switch case. Okay, switch case. Okay, so now I am going to int variable. Okay, now I am going to store a number. Okay, so I am going to say int num. So printf enter the number. Okay, so if it is a if okay, so I'll first scanf it, scanf percent d and implicit num. Okay, now switch. You can see switch, then what will come? Num will come. Okay, what after that switch num will come because I am storing my value in the num. Okay, then I'll start with this. Okay, this bracket. Now case 5, suppose if the user write number 5, then what you want to do? Then you want to do printf. So this is the statement: printf user has user has pressed 5. Okay, so after this semicolon, then here you have to write break statement. What you have to write? Break statement. See, I'm writing, this is an indentation. This is basically an indentation. Your code should look nice so that everyone can read. Okay, after this case 5 हो गया. अगर मान लो if मान लो it is a case 3. Okay, what it is case 3, then you want to printf that number 3, whatever you want. Number 3 is a prime and odd number. Okay, like this you can write anything. Okay, whatever you want, I'll show you this. Okay, break. So again you can have two more case also, case 4. Okay, case 4 like this, case 4, case 4. In case 4 you can write printf number 4 is number 4 is prime composite number, right? You can write any statement. Okay, number 4. Suppose in हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, हम ब्रेक कर देंगे यहाँ पे ब्रेक. ओके, break statement is very mandatory after every case. After every case you have to write a break followed with a semicolon. So this is the basic structure. But मान लो यूजर ने 5 3 4 के अलावा कुछ और नंबर दबाया. क्या किया? 5 3 और 4 की जगह कुछ और दबाया. तब you have to give a default statement. Okay, then you have to give a default. Default के सामने कुछ भी केस नहीं आएगा. Default के सामने you have to do not write to anything. Okay, printf, you have to write printf please press correct number. Okay, is this clear? So this is the basic flow of the switch case. तो अभी आप समझ करो केस 5, अगर कोई नंबर 5 दबाता है, अगर इफ नम में 5 वैल्यू स्टोर है तो ये वाला स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगा, अगर 3 है तो ये वाला होगा, 4 है तो ये वाला होगा. ओके, लेट मी रन दिस. ओके, so okay, I'll first go with 27. Okay, so see ये 27, प्लीज प्रेस द करेक्ट नंबर, क्योंकि मैंने 27 के लिए कोई केस नहीं लिखा है. मैंने 27 के लिए कोई भी केस नहीं लिखा है, इसलिए वो डिफॉल्ट एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? डिफॉल्ट वाला स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है, दैट इज प्रिंट. ओके सॉरी, प्रिंटफ के बाद ब्रेक लिखना जरूरी नहीं, क्योंकि डिफॉल्ट इज द लास्ट वन. ओके, बट इफ यू वांट टू राइट ब्रेक यू कैन राइट देयर आल्सो, बट इट इज नॉट नीडेड. नाउ इफ आई रन द प्रोग्राम अगेन एंड if I'll press the number 2, सी प्लीज प्रिंटर द करेक्ट नंबर. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने केस में 2 डिफाइन नहीं किया. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली एग्जीक्यूटिंग द डिफॉल्ट स्टेटमेंट. इज दिस क्लियर? नाउ इफ आई रन अगेन, नाउ इफ आई गो विथ 5. ओके, 5 में क्या? यूजर हैज प्रेस्ड नंबर 5. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने 5 के साथ मैंने क्या दिया था? यूजर हैज प्रेस्ड 5. दैट्स व्हाई दिस स्टेटमेंट इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग. इज दिस क्लियर? ओके, ओके, नाउ आई विल गो विथ 4. If I'll go with 4, then you can see the 4 number 4 is a composite number. Is this clear? So this was all about the switch case. और ये मतलब हमने सिर्फ basic सा syntax किया है. You have seen how to use integer, but in the next video I'll show you how to use a character. Okay. So basically in the next video I am going to develop my own calculator. जो हम use करते हैं ना, calculator कैसे use करते हैं. So we are going to develop our own calculator using a switch case. So next video is going to very important. अगर आपको स्विच केस अगर थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पे समझ आ गया तो आ गया, अगर नहीं आया देन यू विल कवर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो इट विल एंटर इन योर खून. ओके, मैं आपके खून में उतार दूंगा ये सारे चीजें. ठीक है, सो टिल देन कीप लर्निंग, कीप वॉचिंग एंड कीप हैक कोडिंग. जय हिंद.